I think this happens to every car enthusiast. Eventually your dream car that you always dreamed of owning just becomes your car. Until one drive reminds you exactly why you bought it in the first place. For me, it reminds me of when I brought my 370Z home. I mean, I didn't even know how to drive manual, but every chance I got, I was out there learning. Grocery store? Sure. Late night food run? Absolutely. I didn't care where I was going, I just wanted to get behind the wheel. But after a few years and I mastered all the basics, it kind of just became routine. And it's not that I loved it any less, it's just the excitement slowly became normal, and I stopped noticing the little things that made me fall in love with it in the first place. Then I suddenly found myself on one of my favorite roads. And then one day, it all just came back. How this thing handled corners. How in control I felt. Alive I felt when I heard this car scream. I don't think the car changed. I just needed to slow down to notice the little things again. And maybe that's why we keep these cars for so long. Because every once in a while, they remind us exactly why we bought them.